We are gathered here today to witness two of our favourite people getting married. Before we start though, there's one thing that I'd like us all to do, and that's just to celebrate the fact that we are finally here. I don't think Boris had the guts or the balls to cancel this again and suffer the wrath of Mags and Sandra. Yes, today the numbers are slightly smaller, but that means just a couple of things. Double the wine and double the food. This will, without question, be the best New Year's Eve anyone is having in the UK today. As part of the process for this ceremony, they answered lots of questions. And there are specifically 2 questions and 2 answers that I wanted to share with everyone that I think best summarises their relationship and who they are as people. They were asked, what are your core values in life? They simply replied with, to take care of Harry and be happy every day. And the second question was, what are your core values as part of a couple? Their response, to always appreciate each other, even on the hard days, to love each other forever. Kaz, do you still take Frankie to be your wife?
I still take her to be my wife.
Fantastic.
Oh,
you're actually meant to say I do, you've done it before?
I do.
Fantastic. And Frankie, do you still take Kaz to be your husband?
I do.
Thank God. Kaz and Frankie will now pretend to exchange the rings as a symbol of their love and commitment to each other. Very good.
Thank you.
And now the power vests in me by myself. It is my honour to declare you still married. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so pleased to present to you the not so new Mr. and Mrs. Slimane. Kaz, may kiss the bride.
Thank you all so much for making the effort and coming today. It means so much to me and Frankie. To my beautiful wife, makeup by Frankie Slim, coming at you, 2022. I know it's always a bit cliche, but she really is my better half. She honestly is my best friend, and of course, the best mum to our little beautiful daughter, Harry. If you'll all be upstanding, please. I'd like you to raise your glass to my beautiful wife, Frankie Slimane. Cheers!